This is a response to a user question from TrueCMT in regards to the rights to privacy at the border and your cell phone. So cell phone searches, as I indicated in my previous video, police can do cursory searches at the roadside based on reasonable grounds. But there is, as I stated in the comments, a diminished right to privacy at the border. For a long time, there seemed to be no right to privacy until the Alberta Court of Appeal stepped in recently and said there is a right to privacy, that they can't search just routinely your phone. However, where there's a big unknown is they failed to set out where or what standard the CBSA needs before they execute a search. So the reasonable suspicion is the lowest standard police use, and they would not define that as the standard. So there is no defined standard. They just said that there are privacy rights at the border. You don't just sacrifice them because you're going across the border. And also there are interests which should be protected. What does this mean? It's just a gray area. So what can happen is they can take your phone presently, they can ask you for your password, and if you decline to provide your password, they can in fact seize your phone without warrant. So you wouldn't have committed a crime, you would have done nothing wrong, but they can do that. So there's a prominent case in 2019 where a lawyer was traveling across the border back into Canada from Guatemala, and they seized his phone, no basis to do so, and he went to the media about this issue. But it's our Alberta Court of Appeal which has created kind of a or blown a hole in the side of this issue and said, listen, there is a right to privacy. It's not protected by the charter and saved by Section 1, which basically allows for searches to go on regardless of if there is a breach or not. It's not saved by the charter or Section 1 of the charter. So basically we're in an area of uncertainty. Your cell phones are subject to search. They can seize them, and the standard is unknown. Parliament has been told to revisit this, and we'll see where it ends up. But you do have a diminished right to privacy at the border. You want to know that when you cross the border. Tablets, cell phones, any digital devices can be searched, and while it shouldn't be done routinely, it can be done without what seems to be any basis whatsoever, and because no basis has been defined. So I hope that answers the question. If you have any inquiries about this, I'm happy to talk to you about it. My name is Dan Murphy. I'm a criminal lawyer in Edmonton, and I'm available to answer any questions about criminal law, and if you have questions about other areas of law, I'm happy to refer you to some great people I work with. All right, thank you and have a good day. Take care.